Good morning, guys. The thing about Vlogmas is you'll definitely see us in the raw. It's about 7:30 now. Leonie's just gotten up, so I thought I'd pop the camera on. I've just been out in the garden this morning, just pulling out some weeds and having a look around in our backyard garden area, as we have a big ant problem, which I'm sure Dan's probably mentioned, as he got bitten a week or so ago, or whenever we put the Christmas lights up. So yeah, I've just been doing some weeding and trying to see if we can spot any more ants nests, fire ants nests. But yeah, I found a few, so that's not a good thing. Definitely can't take Leonie out to the backyard anymore until they're all gone and fixed or whatever. So Dan's here.
Good morning.
He's just been editing for the morning.
All done. So that's just, it'll probably be up a couple of hours.
Yeah. So I'll be already up by the time you guys see this, so.
Of course.
So why don't we go ahead and get Leonie up? Because I've been up for a little while. I haven't been able to find Pixie, so I wonder where she is. Not that I've really been looking for her this morning too much, but yeah, let's go and get Leonie up and go and find Pixie.
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic.
Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. Rise and shine. Oh, Daddy, that's too bright. And the window too, please, Daddy.
I normally get her to open a little bit. Do you want to open the window? You can open it. Okay. I'll take cuddles instead, that's fine.
It's a little warm in this room. Turn the fan on. Good morning, Baba. Oh, good morning. Love you. Good morning.
Oh, look, Baba.
What's that?
What's that over there?
Did Pixie sneak into your room? She must have been watching you sleeping. And what's Pixie brought? Look!
That's some new pajamas. Do you like these ones? Do you like them?
No. Pixie, you did a bad job. Sick of jammies, or you just want to go out, hey? We change your nappy? Alright, she's all dressed. She wouldn't let me put a headband on her, so we've got it as a sash. And she keeps staring at Pixie. Can you point to Pixie, darling? Where's Pixie?
Yeah.
Over there. Yeah, over there, good girl. She brought you some pretty cool pajamas. They are pretty cool. Hey, you gonna wear those ones tonight? Pixie brought you some jammies to wear tonight? Alrighty, so we are heading out for the day.
In the car again.
In the car. But being the awesome father Dan is, he has gotten the Moana soundtrack, and we're playing it for our little girl in the back there.
And my phone's ringing.
little bit of travel, about 45 minutes. We are here at IKEA at Logan. I had to go pop to the bathroom, so Dan, Leonie and James have gone out and about in IKEA. And now I'm waiting for Nan and Kudos. So I never remember to bring the IKEA card, so I've just printed one off. In case we buy something, extra stuff. I gotta get some candles. Still waiting for Nan and Kudo, and here they come. And here they are. All got me presents. Alrighty, I'm on a mission to find the boys and Leonie. Let's hope I haven't missed them, so I don't want to have to backtrack. And I found them! They're right in front of me, I didn't even realise. And they're like, quick, run! Went straight over the head. And Annie.
James having a bit of a hammer on the toys. You happy now, James? Going to IKEA, and we've got our own little trolley.
Alrighty, so we are on our way home. We've been to IKEA and we went over to the Hyperdome. We wanted to go, I wanted to take Oni and do this Christmas thing there, but by the time we got over there, Oni was asleep, and there was like a huge line. Like, we probably would still be waiting in line if we were there now. So yeah, and then we came over to Beanley because I needed to get some stuff for Christmas, and the big W's that I've been going to haven't had what I need.
This one did.
I don't think, but this one did, so yay. I was still looking for a game, still haven't found it, but you know, whatever. So yeah, we are on our way home.
Maybe Amazon will have it.
Yeah, probably. Oni's in the back having a snack. She's got 2 crackers in her bag because she insisted on it. And so they're shopping and stuff. I brought Oni's pink chair just in case, and she's been holding on to it.
Making sure it doesn't go anywhere. Alright guys, so I haven't been on the vlog very much today, but it's alright. Just made some dinner. So these 3 here have salami, olives and mushrooms. Lots of mushrooms, yum. These ones up here are Ashley's, so it's got pineapple and ham, ham and mushrooms. So yeah, they're having mini pizzas for dinner. I'm quite hungry, so I'm not sure if I'm going to eat 3, but hey, I can always reheat it, have it for breakfast or something like that tomorrow. So Ashley and I have been just kind of bumming around this afternoon. Leonie's had her dinner already. She had pineapple and ham on her pizza, which is pretty good. We've been watching a bit of Moana as well.
Leonie, stop it.
There we go. And that's about it really. Leonie's about to go and have a bath and go to bed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It is a little bit of an update. 22 days until Christmas. Yeah, Pixie left that up there last night. We only just found it not too long ago because Ashley had to get her bottle down from up the top of the fridge, so we don't look up there very often. Number one, because that clock's always wrong. It keeps falling down and I think it's a little bit broken. Look who's wearing their new pajamas. You gonna show everybody your pajamas? Or are you just gonna run away? Excuse me. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. Tickle, tickle, tickle. See?
Can you go get your cats ready?
New pajamas. Let's go get the cats ready, hey? Alright guys, I think I might leave it here. Today was kind of all over the place, driving here, there and everywhere. Dinner was awesome. Forgot to show you when it came out the oven, but I got hungry and ate mine. It's all gone now. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw today. Comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Good night, guys.
Believe in the magic.